If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified on the next videos which I will post in this channel. In this video, I will show you how to go to Odaiba in Tokyo, Japan. Odaiba is one of the famous tourist destinations in Tokyo, Japan. There are many tourist attractions in this place, but for us, the best attraction would be the giant Gundam Robot located outside Odaiba's Daiba City, Tokyo Plaza, the replica of the Statue of Liberty, and the Rainbow Bridge, which is similar to San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge in the USA. In this example, we will go to these tourist attractions from our apartment hotel in Roppongi. Before going to Odaiba, we have to find out the trains we will use in going there. One way of finding out the trains we will use in going to Odaiba is by using Google Maps, which is available both on iPhones and Android phones or tablets. The train station we have to go to in Odaiba is the Daiba Station. And so on Google Maps, we search for Daiba Station. Then we click on Directions. Then we enter the name of the train station nearest our hotel where we come from. For us, this is the Roppongi Ichomi Station, which is the train station near our apartment hotel. Then we select the icon for public transport. We choose the time we want to depart the train station, for example, tomorrow at 7 a.m. We click on Set. Then we will see a list of recommended routes. Click on Options to choose the preferred transit mode and click to check on rail since we will be traveling by train. Then we click on Done and we will see a list of possible train routes. We choose the recommended route with the least possible time. Then we will see the whole train journey from our origin, which in this example is the Roppongi Ichomi Station, to our destination, which is the Daiba Station. After a little searching, we found a shortcut going to the nearest train station near our apartment hotel. From here we start by going to the Izumi Garden, which is in front of our apartment hotel. Then we go to the Roppongi Grand Plaza, going down to the escalator which leads to the Roppongi Grand Tower. Inside this building, we found the way going to the Tokyo Metro Roppongi Ichomi Metro train station. In this train station, we found the Tokyo Metro Namboku line. Upon entering the Tokyo Metro Roppongi Ichomi station, we enter through the ticket gates using Suica card or Pasmo card. Then we go down to the Tokyo Metro Namboku line train platforms. The Tokyo Metro Namboku line at the Roppongi Ichomi station has two train platforms, which are Platform number 1 and Platform number 2. According to our Google Map train search result, we ride the train at the Roppongi Ichomi Station, Namboku line at Platform number 1 and get down at the Tameke Sanno Station. And according to the signboard found at Platform number 1, we get down at the next station, which is the Tameke Sanno Station. Again, going back to our Google Map train route search result, at the Tameke Sanno Station, we transfer trains and ride the Ginza line at Platform number 2 and get down at the Shimbashi Station. The same as the Namboku line, which we have previously ride on in this example, the Ginza line is also part of the Tokyo Metro train network. To get an idea of how we transfer at the Tameke Sanno Station, from the Namboku line to the Ginza line using our iPhones or Android phones or tablets. We open our browser such as Google Chrome and open the Tokyo Metro website. From here, we open the subway map. Then we scroll down and open the Namboku line in the list of lines below. Then we select the Tameke Sanno Station and we will see the 3D map of the Tameke Sanno Station. From this map, we can see that upon arriving at the Tameke Sanno Station Namboku Line train platform, we go up the train concourse and walk towards the Ginza Line train platform. And so, following this Google Map train route, when we arrive at the Tameke Sanno Station Namboku Line, we walk following the signboard going towards the Ginza Line. Then we go up 2 staircases until we see the Ginza Line train platform. Then we walk to the Ginza Line train platform, ride the train at platform number 2, and get down at the Shimbashi Station. Upon reaching the Shimbashi Station, the next part is to transfer trains from the Tokyo Metro Ginza Line at the Shimbashi Station to the Eureka Mome Line. According to our Google Map train route search result, we just follow the signboard going to the JR Shimbashi Station District Gate. And so, upon arrival at the Ginza Line train platform at the Shimbashi Station, we follow the signboard going to the Eureka Mome Line. Following this signboard, we go upstairs. Here we find the signboard going to the JR Shimbashi Station District Gate, which according to our Google Map train route search result, goes to the Eureka Mome Line. We exit the Tokyo Metro Ginza Line ticket gates using Suica card or Pasmo card. Then we follow the signboard going to the JR Shimbashi Station District Gate and the signboard going to the Eureka Mome Line. We just keep on following the signboard going to the Eureka Mome Line. After a few minutes, we find ourselves just outside the JR Shimbashi Station. Just in front of this is the Eureka Mome Line building. We enter the Eureka Mome Line building and go upstairs and walk along the train concourse. After that, we again have to go upstairs to proceed to the train platforms. We used train tickets in entering the ticket gates of the Eureka Mome Line. But you can also use Suica card or Pasmo card. Then we ride the Yurikamome Line train and get down at the Daiba Station. The Yurikamome Line at the Shimbashi Station is actually the terminus and first station of the Yurikamome Line. So you can ride any train that leaves the Shimbashi Station on any of the two train platforms. The Yurikamome Line train is a train that has no drivers to run it. It is Tokyo's first fully automated transit system controlled entirely by computers. The Yurikamome is not a monorail as it is sometimes mistakenly called. The Yurikamome train runs with rubber tires along a dedicated elevated concrete road guided by side walls. We are now approaching the island of Odaiba. Odaiba is a large artificial island in Tokyo Bay, Japan, across the Rainbow Bridge from central Tokyo. We are now looking at the Rainbow Bridge because our train is going around. Now we are on the Rainbow Bridge. The Yurikamome also uses this Rainbow Bridge in going to the island of Odaiba. From the Shimbashi Station, which is the first station, we get down after 6 stations at the Daiba Station, which is the 7th station of the Yurikamome Line. We finally arrived at the Daiba Station. From the train platform, we go down to the train concourse. Then we exit the ticket gates of the Daiba Station and proceed to exit number 2, which goes to the Aqua City Odaiba and the Statue of Liberty. From here we can also go down and cross the street below. Then you have to go up the stairway in front of the Hilton Hotel. But the best way is to go through Hilton Hotel and just turn right to go towards the Aqua City Odaiba. And so we are now here in Odaiba, and we are going to see the Statue of Liberty in New York, here in Tokyo. Here you can also see from a distance the Tokyo Tower, which is the Eiffel Tower of Tokyo, and the Rainbow Bridge. The Fuji Television Building, which is adjacent to Aqua City Odaiba, can be seen here. It has a viewing sphere at its top, which is the spherical observation room. From here you can see a panoramic view of the Tokyo waterfront, which includes the Tokyo Tower and the Tokyo Sky Tree. Now we are going to the giant Gundam Robot located at Daiba City, Tokyo Plaza. From the Aqua City Odaiba, we turn right and walk straight ahead, passing by the Fuji TV building on our left. After a few minutes walking, we will see the Diversity Tokyo Plaza on our left, where we will find the giant Gundam Robot. After the Diversity Tokyo Plaza, it's time to go to the Teleport Bridge, which is a huge pedestrian bridge in Odaiba. Leaving the Gundam Robot behind, we walk into an open field, turn left and walk straight ahead. From here we can see the Teleport Bridge on our left and the VeniceFort on our right. Finally, we arrived at the Teleport Bridge, which is our last stop in Odaiba. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't worry, be happy, and have a very happy trip.